The story of P1 Manufacturing is intertwined with the city that provided its inspiration and birth, Schenectady, New York. Once a great manufacturing hub, known as the city that lights and halls the world, generations of families worked in prosperous manufacturing jobs at both General Electric and American Locomotive. In 1981, General Electric employed over 24,000 people. David W. DeSalt was born in Schenectady in the late 1970s. Both his grandfather and father worked at the GE plant and provided a comfortable and secure upbringing for David and his siblings. David and his siblings studied at prestigious engineering schools such as Union College and Clarkson University, thanks to a stable economic environment provided for by GE. However, by the time David attended college, the decline in manufacturing employment steepened, and by 2000, 75% of the GE manufacturing jobs in Schenectady were lost, along with the economic stability of the city. As a natural leader and heavily involved with multiple community groups, David decided to take a bold step and begin to claw back those lost manufacturing jobs by launching Package One Industries, a company providing kitting and small parts manufacturing for GE at a plant that is located on the footprint of the long-demolished American Locomotive factory. A decade later, now known as P1 Manufacturing, David's business grew thanks to his unyielding insistence to plow back all the cash flow into new equipment, processes, and people. By 2017, P1 grew to 75 employees and serviced a number of clients, but their primary customer, GE, represented over 90% of revenue. Fueled by success and a vision to make a difference in his hometown, in 2020 David launched the mission to expand P1 into defense and aerospace with a goal to create 300 manufacturing jobs in Schenectady by 2030. Currently operating 3 plants and looking to expand by continually reinvesting cash flow, launching a high school apprenticeship program, and recruiting leading executives in manufacturing, quality, sales, and marketing, David is passionately committed to revitalizing manufacturing in Schenectady and beyond.